Friends, it's Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and today's All Things Easter collab. Our host is CJ from Homeschool Through High School and Stephanie from Schultz Sweeties Homeschool. Please check out their amazing channels and the amazing creators in the playlist. Today I decided to do a spring dessert that would be perfect for Easter. You could either use strawberries or blueberries in this. I chose blueberries today, and it would be a wonderful Easter dessert. Okay, we're going to add 1.5 cup of blueberries, and these are ones that we picked last summer. But if they're in season in your area, of course, use those. Then to this, I'm adding 1/4 cup of sugar. And about a teaspoon of lemon juice. We just want to get these warm. We don't want to really mash, we want to mash a little bit, but I don't like it where it's like puree. Okay, this is 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. I'm just going to add a little bit of that liquid in there and stir it around to help prevent lumps. You want to get that smooth because I don't like lumpy pie filling. And with it being the same temperature as this, that also helps prevent lumps. We're going to just boil this for about 5 minutes. And that is our filling. Let's make our filling. Well, you know, you got the crust, then I call it the filling, and then you got the, then you got the blueberries on top. But I guess they call that the filling, and this is, I think, the cream. But 1 cup of powdered sugar. 1 container of whipped cream. I have the mixer out, but I don't know. I may do this by hand. We'll see. One teaspoon of vanilla. Then we do 1 container of Philadelphia cream cheese. Okay, now let's get this mixed up. And I gotta wash my hands. A stick of butter in the microwave. I have preheated my oven at 375. The recipe actually calls for a cup of butter, but I think that's way too much, so I'm going to just do a stick in my recipe. And we're going to have, and I measured out 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar. Okay. We need 2.5 cups of pretzels. We're going to put them in a Ziploc bag. And of course, I ripped the bag down the side. Okay, now we're going to put this in the bag. We're going to seal the bag up. I'm going to take this and crunch them. And do it to your preference of crunched up. I like mine pretty crunched up. I'm going to add our 2.5 cups of pretzels. And I'm going to add in 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar. This is our 1 stick of butter. And I'm going to just mix that in. And now we're going to just push it down and make it into a crust. Now we're going to bake this at 375. I think it's for 15 minutes. Let's add our cream. I'm going to add our 2.5 cups of pretzels. Okay, now let's add our blueberry filling. And I'm going to add in 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar. is our final dessert.